Yo, how's everybody doing? Quick video today. We're going to be doing the taillight upgrade, which is, as you know, a necessity for this generation. It's got to be done. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So here I understand to be doing this. There are 4 screws. One on top. One right there. One right there, and one behind here that I believe is the other one that supports this, because this one only got one up there. So I think the other one that supports this is under this. So first, let me take those 2 out, take the light out, and show you what's underneath and see if we can figure this out. Hang on. So that did not take long at all. You just pull it out. It's secured by this show you the pin that goes into the hole right there, and same on the bottom. Let me see. There's the missing bolt. Like I said, suspected it's on the bottom of this thing supporting that. Now we go to disconnect the 2 plugs. Hang on. Okay, I want you guys to get the full picture of how to do this. That's why I'm going to show you every single step and not skimp out on it like some other channels do. This is just a twist. You twist, you pull out, right? This plugs in all the way, and it's secured by this. So what you got to do is pull up on that guy, and this whole thing will come out. But then it's secured right here with this metal clip. Oops, sorry. With this metal clip. So what you gotta do is get your flathead in there and just pop that bad boy open like so, and it should come out. And there it is. If you want, you can put it back in case you're gonna sell these lamps. Might as well keep it with the vehicle. And there you have it for now. So let me undo, which in fact, let me just go ahead and do that and see if it'll just look at this. It's one-handed. One-handed operation. It's pretty disgusting under here, but what do you really expect? And there you have it. An Escalade without a light. I gotta tell you, this is amazing that somebody came up with this whole thing. There you have it. Garbage lights are out. Ew. New lights coming up. Let me wipe this thing. This is disgusting. I'll be right back. Alright, wiped it off a little bit. I think it looks a million times better, but the point was to do it fast. But this is like night and day. It's almost brand new under here, except for a couple things I noticed. Don't know what's up with that. What's up with this over here, and this right here. What is up with this? No idea. Anyway, that should be covered by the taillight, so I don't really care. I mean, in any case, I don't really care, but much better. Let me grab the new one, align it, and I'll be right back. Alright, got scared there for a second. Didn't want you guys to have a heart attack as well, so just to let you know, to expose those things that very clearly have to go in the holes, they come with these caps on them. And to make matters worse, they have a rubber thingy on it. So I'm thinking the whole thing's got to go in. This is to protect from rubbing or what have you, noise, whatever. And for the life of me, I could not figure out how this would go into there. No one says anything. These things don't come with instructions. Just to let you know, pull extra hard, it will come off, exposing the bit that you need. There's two of them. Now, getting under the car, that's the bit, the connector that goes through that hole from the light right to here. This thing is the lock. You pull this out, as I have already, and then just you know, finagle this thing open. I think that's the only lock, so let me get to working on that and get this done. Alright, I got the thing out. You can pull it out right from underneath once you get this out. You got to get both hands on it. Might be stuck or whatever. Try to do a forward and back motion. It'll come right out. This thing, it's not connected. As you can see, I just put it in place just to show you how it's gonna go. Obviously, line up the pins to the holes up here. Nothing has to go in. There's no like the fins that it had on the other one. Not sure what those breather tubes are for. There's two of them, but regardless, you just pop it in like this. But before you do that, you got to get the wire to go through the hole on the bottom where it will plug in after. Oh, there's another breather hole right there. Anyway, putting these two in the holes will align the holes where we have to put the screws. So let me pop those in, turn the blinkers on, lights on, blinkers on, and show you the difference. But already, come on, how could you not do this? I mean, this is a no-brainer right here. Hang on. So 4 bolts come out, 3 bolts go in. I could not find for the life of me where the 4th bolt would go, but I don't think it's necessary. One up there, one there, one on the bottom. That's not a bolt. Not sure what it is. It just, I guess, keeps it from moving. But 3 bolts. This thing is in there for sure. One thing I gotta tell you guys, this is not a perfect light. This is not like how I assume you would get it from the factory, because, and I may just be nitpicking here, this is like a 3 foot away thing. Oh, look at that. I just noticed some stuff over there, but look at this right there. That's not clear plastic. Also here, you see that? The divot, whatever that is. And if you'll give me your attention over here, not sure what that is. Noticed it right away. Looks like crap. But if you're here, where I will be all the time and never over there, and honestly, who cares for this amount of money? Doesn't really matter. It's not bad. Let me turn the car on, turn the lights on, turn the blinkers on, and I'll be right back. Alright, turn the lights on. Don't forget to plug it in underneath like I just did. I haven't seen anything yet, so this is a surprise for me, as it is for you. I see the lights are on the stock one on the side, and these are blinking. So, without further ado, are you guys ready? Gotta tell you, it's pretty amazing. Look at that transformation. Look at that transformation. I gotta tell you guys. So I guess the whole thing is blinking. This whole thing is blinking, and this is blinking. It's kind of weird. And the mirror is blinking. But that's normal. But check that out. I mean, this is just a thing of beauty. It is a thing of beauty. Let me do the other side real quick. I'll let you know if there's any complications, and I'll show you the finished product. This side was identical, except with the added bonus of a beehive. Let me baby wipe this bad boy right here and throw the other one on. And I know you saw half of it already. There's the finished product. Look at that. You gotta get the new license plate frame on there. All in all, I would say if you're debating if you can do this, if you're even thinking if you can do this by yourself, you absolutely can. As you know from my previous videos, I am no mechanic, nor do I really know what I'm doing. Just got a couple tools, and I try stuff out, because why not? If you mess it up, someone will fix it, you know? In any case, this, all in all, would take you, it's 4 screws out, 3 screws in, and 1 plug underneath. You should have this done and ready to go within 10-15 minutes. If I had to do another one right now, I bet I could get it done in 5. Both of them, both sides. This is easy. And you owe it to yourself and to your Escalade to do it. In any case, tell me what you guys think. Worth it? Not worth it? I think it's absolutely worth it. And that's where I'm going to leave you. Join me, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. If you want to see how the music works inside to get the Bluetooth from your phone to the car for the cheap, definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace! And here we are at night. I wanted to show you the end result. Here is the end result of the tail lights at night. At night. Check that out. How cool is that? Is that beautiful or what? That is some beautiful stuff. You owe it to yourself to do this to your Escalade. And look at those puddle lights. But you owe this. You owe this to yourself to do to your Escalade. It is beautiful, and you need it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.